All right. Good morning. So the market just starting off now, open here. Today is August 29th, 2025. I'm liking this price movement because this is pretty much a typical this is a typical price movement that I would typically trade on. I love it. I love the price movement. I do love it. So just gotta be careful now. It's already too late to try and get in now, get in on the short. But I want to get in on the long here. That's my goal. I want to get in on long. So to begin with, I was expecting a green day today. That was my expectation because the whole week has been green, and suddenly what we have here is a red day. Nvidia is down. Nvidia is also down too. That's the weakness in the market. So this is probably sort of a follow through from that. I am thinking of getting in here now, but I want to be more careful. I want to be more cautious because this could obviously, yeah, and it's still going down. Yeah, this is crazy because I was thinking of going long. I thought of going long, or actually went long this morning on a small account, thinking that the continuation, the uptrend upside will continue. That did not happen. So if I put a stop loss on that, it would have taken me out, and it would be good that I should put a stop loss on that. So I'm looking at the 15-minute chart here just to see what's going on, to see the bigger picture. Yeah, the whole week has been very messy. Really have been very very messy. Today is actually one of those days that is good. Today is probably an exception to that. So
Order submitted.
so I'm getting on two contracts here. No stop loss yet. I'm getting again. So now I have four. So I'm thinking now is what should be my stop. The mouse I'm using is a little bit messed up. Um, my God, this mouse is it's a little bit messed up. So my target here would be 38.2. So I'm letting this kind of draw down a little bit. I'm looking at this market. Even though I went in too early, shouldn't have gone in too early. It looks too early to me. So target here would be 38.2, taking profits there. That will be my target. And I just moved this stop loss, moved it down a little bit because I feel like it could come down more. So again, if it comes down more, then I probably want to be out on 2 contracts or maybe 1 contract. So this is not really, this is not, I think, yeah, I'm gonna have to put in a stop on 2 contracts. Okay, so it's still coming down a little bit. I may eventually take multiple trades today, but that's not the goal really. And typically, this would not be my, I'm pretty much getting in early here, and it's not what I want to be doing anyways. But I'm in on the trade already now, so I'm gonna have to change these mouse. This is very, very annoying. So I want to see 38.2 here. So I want to see that close, by the way. Okay, I want to add one more here, but I have to wait for this candle to close there. Anyways. Okay, there we go. So starting with red. Yeah, I really don't like this. I really don't like this. And I'm thinking, what am I gonna do? So if it's doing that, then I probably want to get out on one. Yeah, I don't like what this is doing. What is going on with this mouse today? Yeah, I wanted to see a red price action. But I'm seeing now, I wanted to see a green price action, but I'm seeing right now is a red. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is, this is not looking good as far as I know it. I'm gonna have to put a one stop here, If it knocks it out, that's fine. But the other three contracts I'm gonna have to carry with me. Now, if this changes to green, I'm gonna get in. Yeah, if that switches to green, then I want to be out on at least one contract, and then drag the other ones with me down. So the entry is a little bit too early for sure. Yeah, I'm also looking at the daily chart too. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I got into early. There's no doubt on that one, but I have a stop here now on that so that I can get out of one contract, and I should be able to add more because it looks like this is probably gonna hit down more. Yeah, I got into early. Okay, let's see what's going on here. It looks like it's moving. I'm gonna add one more there and bring the stop up a little bit. So 5 minutes. So now this is where I'm gonna have to draw down to 5 minutes chat here just to see what's going on. I'm gonna increase that here just a little bit down here and do the same here likewise. So because if there's 5 minutes chat here, trying to catch the bottom is a very tricky trade to trade, and you're better off being on the side of the trend than trying to catch so I could probably raise at least one of these. You could raise one of these here to break even, honestly. Perhaps raise two to break even. Maybe even bring everything to break even. So I love it. Now the only thing is that I only have just a few contracts there. It's not a whole lot, but I mean it's something. So my target is 38.2 there. That is my target. I probably
Stop filled.
Oh, there we go. So it took me out of God. Should have taken that profit there. Yeah, that's the way of the markets. I think I think I probably got out too early there. So if I get into two more contracts, where am I going to put a stop loss? Or should I even be doing that? Because this is close to my target, just didn't hit it. Okay, I need to know what I'm doing here now. Man, laptop is glitching, the mouse is messing up, you know, it's like nothing is working. So if it's doing that, there's a possibility that this could, you know, come down. I'm not worried about, you know, this taking me out there. I'm not worried about that at all. Though it would be nice to take some profits, anyways. It would have been nice to take that profit there. Okay, what I can do, or what I'm thinking of doing now is okay, I could close this. I'm gonna close that. See on the opportunity because that doesn't even have a stop loss place. So I'm gonna close that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think I may get in again. Try this again one more time. So, but I'm gonna have to wait. I'm even thinking, should I be getting short? I don't like shorting the market. I don't like getting going short when don't like going short when when the trend has when market has sold off a lot. So my best bet here is to wait for the longs. So I'm gonna wait for that long again. Yeah. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna go long again. I'll just have to wait. I also have to know what I'm risking. Here we see. Yeah. So trying to figure out what's happening here. Okay, still waiting for that to waiting for that. We gotta be a little bit more patient. So there we go. Yeah, that's one of the things with. Well, I gotta wait for that anyways. It's just one of the annoying things, you get in trying to catch a knife, trying to catch a falling knife, and then it takes off. Yeah, it's much easier to be. I'm gonna put stop here on that bottom there. Okay. So his mouth was good. My plan now is to the target is still. I wonder how much I'm risking anyways. Target is just about 238.50. I just gotta see how much I'm risking. So got in there at 70. and 66.50 times 5 times 4. So I'm risking $70. But it's better that I risk that than, let this draw down. So I want to take out, oh my God, this mouse. So let's see what happens here. I'm risking $70 on this trade for the 4 contracts there. I'm beginning to think, should I, I'm thinking now, I was looking at the 5 minutes action. Okay, this is good, it's going up. Looking at 5 minutes price action. So I want to see that profit taken there, and then looking at this, I want to place my stop just right here, just beneath. Just one there. Man, this is, yeah, and it's gonna take it out because this is just doing something that I don't know what it is doing. Yeah. So, but I'd rather put 2 there to kind of take that risk out. You know. Again, even though this trade looks like the price action looks like what I would normally trade, but by itself is not ideal. It's not moving the way that I really want it to be moving. But that's what it is. Yeah, it's moving slow. Yeah, it's moving slow. This is not looking good. It's not looking good. So what I'm thinking now is
Stop filled.
yeah, this is not looking good. I don't like this. Yeah, takes out another stop there. Man, this is annoying. Yeah, I think I want to be out on at least 2 more contracts. So I know all I have there is just 2 contracts. Yeah, probably the stop was too close. I guess. Okay, so now I'm risking what is it? half of $70, which is $35 for that trade. Yeah, this is not clean. It's not very clean. It's a little bit you know, pretty much everywhere, and I had my stops way too close, but that is what I'm comfortable with. Yeah. I want to close this trade and just get out. I want to close this trade so bad. Uh, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. I'm gonna close. Yeah, I'm gonna close the trade. So I'm out. Little profit, not much, but I have the opportunity to go long again. Now I don't want to go short. I really don't want to go short here. I don't want to do that since it's not yet clear to me. It's not quite clear to me what the trend is. I started today thinking that the trend would be to the upside, but that's not what happened. So now it's going up. Yeah, I'm okay that I, kind of went out there. I'm totally comfortable going out, getting out of that trade. So I'm just gonna wait for, looking at the 5 minute chart here. This is not looking good. I mean, I took the profit that I had. That's good enough. But I have another opportunity to go on that trade. Because right now, if you look at this trend, it's not very smooth. It's not very smooth. So it took out so many of my stops that I had. But in profit though, took the stops in profit. So what I want to see is come down a little bit more. Wait for more time to see what happens here. Because if it's gonna be a very if the trend is gonna continue going down, then I want to get out. Well, I don't want to go short. I mean, I could go short with just one contract, but I don't, I don't understand the trend. So I want to know I want to know what the trend is doing before I can go short. So yeah. So now it's all waiting. I have to wait, see what happens there. And this is the same also for, I mean, take a look at Nasdaq. It showed the same. It's there's not clean enough. You put a stop, it takes it out, continues going up. So yeah, so I don't know what's going on. Normally I will be shorting here, but I don't want to really. If I short, put a stop loss here, you know, I would do that normally on days that I know that the trend, that I know the trend looks clean, but for me this trend does not look very clean. At least I want to see, more clarity before I can do much. So yeah, it's all waiting. Yeah, so it's coming down now, but how, would it continue going down? I mean, the trend is already downside has already been decent. So getting a shot here, for me, it wouldn't be worth the risk to reward. No, it would not be worth it. You know, getting here only to get tapped out. So I don't wanna do that. So the way that I trade would be to wait and wait and see. So wait for more confirmation, wait for more clarity, and that's what I want to do. Is pretty much waiting. I mean, this this long here looks okay. It looks really good. Maybe getting up 2 contracts. It looks really good, but I like to wait and see what happens. Um, so how much am I risking here if I put it as a trade? Yeah. Yeah, and again, the whole week has been very, very difficult because the week started out going green, and then suddenly it's now changing to red today. So my best trade would be, or my best entry would be actually to wait. Yeah, and it's coming down here. So my best entry would be to wait and to wait for this to come down more. I mean, I couldn't get in a shot here because I just don't trust that price action. The risk to reward is not worth it for me. I could, but it wasn't worth it for me. So here I'm thinking, should I be going long here? I want to see more sell off. I want to see more downtrend before it would be worth it going long. So it looks like it's coming down. So what it's told me is that I mean, throughout the day there will be opportunities for trade, anyways. But I like the idea of going long. At least that's what this price action tells me. I just like to see it get down a little bit before I can go long. So it's coming down there. Okay, this is good. Now this is what I like to see. Yeah, this is what I like to see. Yeah, this looks good now. I like to see this. Yeah, and hopefully this would be a much better trading than okay, still coming down more, looks like it. This is much better, way much better, way much better. So now I feel more confident in this price action than I feel in the first one. So, and what I'm looking for now is a long. That's what I'm looking for right now. Okay, that's what I like. I like this. Yeah, I like this price action now. I love this. So it is indeed very weird, movement this week. Not not happy with the price movement though myself, but okay, we have more downside movement. So yeah, this in hindsight, this was a good shot. Was a good getting a shot, but you know, again, the reason why I say that is because the price action this week has been not good. It has been going up, so you would think that it's a trending green price action, but then again, you get this. So there's so many surprises in the chat, and I'm not comfortable going in that long. So this one, I'm more comfortable now with this. I do like this price action. I like what I'm seeing right here now. So I'm looking at getting in on 4 contracts more, maybe 6 more. I love this. Yeah, I love this. Okay, I'm gonna get in on 2. My target now, there it is. So I'm getting on 2 here. I'm gonna get in on 2 more on the close of this candle. Even though it feels like I'm getting in too early, but I don't know why I keep on doing that, because I'm getting in too early, of course. So I want to see close of this candle, and then I'm gonna get in 2 more, making it 4 there. Gosh, it's moving too fast, which probably tells me I'm not sure what's going to happen here, but it's moving too fast. Yeah, I definitely did not expect this, but okay. this candle to close before I get in more. Okay, so still waiting for this candle to close here. Thinking of getting in, 4 more contracts there, but let's see what happens here. And thinking of getting in 2 more, but if I get in 2 more, then I would have to okay, I'm gonna get in 2 more. Now my stop loss has to come into place now. So I'm going to have to I want to put in 2 here just to kind of protect that too, and I'm just gonna be greedy a little bit here, but protect this too. Man, this, it's moving slow now. Instead of moving, it's moving slow. I don't like this. Anyway, it's what it is. That's the way price moves anyways. though I want to take profit. Seeing this profits here makes me a little bit, I want to, okay. I want to take
Target failed.
yeah, I want to take that one out there. I just had to take one out there, even though it doesn't make any sense taking it out because but I had to take it out anyways. Okay, I have to take this, this stop loss. I have to kind of remove that. The reason being because I've already closed the position that I used that to put a stop loss, which was so I've already closed that position, taking that profit. But what I want to see, I'm gonna bring it back up anyways. But I want to see candle close first before I bring it back up. That's what I want to see. My target is still the same. My target is 38.2. That's my target. I may get a little bit greedy, getting 50 here, but I don't think it's gonna get filled. But if it doesn't get filled, I may just eventually close it myself. So I've already taken some profits, secured some profits. So just watching now and waiting. So again, my profit target is still the same, 38.2 from this low. Now there's some weakness here, but let's see what happens. Beautiful. I love it. Beautiful price action. I love it. Beautiful. Beautiful. So now my, I mean, it makes sense to just pretty much put a stop loss here. Like, it makes all the sense in the world to do that. And that's what I'm gonna do. So what I want to do is take this out, take one out here, I want that to knock me out there.
Target failed.
Yeah, so I can at least secure some of these profits here. Whew. Yeah, I think this should get to 50%. But I don't want to get greedy though. 75. I don't want to get greedy. Because that's not good. Getting greedy is not good. But then again, what I'm more worried about though is I'm more worried about because this is a trading stop loss. I'm worried about that, and this is a pro account, so I have to keep that in mind. A trading stop loss and a pro account, TPT pro account. I can close this profit, take profit here, and just call it a day. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Take a profit and that's call it a day. There we go. That's done. So yeah. All right, that's good. So it's 300 in profit. It's good. It's eventually it's gonna keep on going and get into 50. That's what's probably gonna happen. It's gonna get to 50. So, but am I happy with $300 that I got in profit? Oh yes, I'm happy. $300 in profit is good. I'm happy. I'm gonna take that. Yeah, today is one of the best days for this week so far. The week has been pretty bad, but today is good. Today is good, so it still get to 50, no doubt. But for me, this is it for me today. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy with $300 in profit. I'm happy. So yeah. So even though it's coming down now, I still think that it's eventually gonna get to 50% retracement, even more than that actually. But it's coming down now anyways. I don't want to overtrade. I'm tempted to get in here, get in on this account, but I don't want to overtrade this account. This is a take profit per account. I don't want to trade to overtrade that. I don't want to overtrade this account. I could, I also have an Apex account. I could trade with that, but I'm happy with. I've got $300 profit for the day. I'm happy with that. So I think this is it. This is it for the stream today. Already made some profits. So this call this a day, and this is it. Yeah, we made some profit here today, and it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. So yeah, this is. I'm just gonna quickly share that. So this is the profit that we made today. $300 in profit. I'm happy with that. Happy with that profit. In just one account, even though it wasn't as smooth. There was pretty much it was pretty much rough with the trades that has to be taken, but it's profit is profit. So all right, this is it for today, and yeah, we'll see you on that one. Okay, take care.